Depot, and look what I found. TNT Fireworks, TNT Me 250-year celebration. We got sparklers, we got, oh my goodness, we got poppets. In fact, you know what? I'm getting 2 of these right now. I got a cart, we got a cart over here. We're stacking stuff up. And then, if I come over this way, we got the red, white, and blue smoke balls. That yellow groove, he's on the move, just did. $2.99. We got more ground bloom flowers. I'm looking for the ones that crackle. I haven't found them yet. $4.99. Now here, you got a different assortment. This one's called, pretty much almost the same really, Solar Glare. Okay, and that's what, $22.99. Here's the super value pack again for $14.99. These are the pirate swords. I've done these before for $11.99. You'll see them on my channel. Oh my goodness, I can't get the sword in his gut. All right, let's come around this way. All right, we got Jackal, $3.49. This is a great little fountain. Pick up 10. All right, these I did last year also. All this is on my channel. This is the creature value pack for $14.99. Very good deal. Lobo Loco, I did that one last year, and that's $19.99 on my channel. This is on my channel. Magic Wizard Wands for $5.99. Down here you got a different assortment. This one's called Tidal Wave. Let me pull it up here. You could see it. Hey, there's a jalapeno popper. Not too bad. Not too bad. $34.99. Let me come down here, you can see it. $34.99. Sparklers, $5. And again, Storm King. Let me pull this one out for you, so you can see this one now too. All right. Storm King is $59.99. So, you know what BBQ Rando says? If you're ready for a monster, you're ready for a Lobo Loco, if you're ready for fireworks, and you need to celebrate for the 250th birthday of the United States of America, you want to come to TNT Me